Hi, I'm Mike, owner of the In-Groove in Phoenix, Arizona. Today I'm going to do a couple of record unboxings for Record Store Day 2020, drop number 2. This is the September drop for September 26. All of this stuff will be available online at our website at www.theingroove.com starting at 1 o'clock Eastern Time. The replacements, the complete Inconcerated live. This is numbered to 25, or limited to 8,500, excuse me. Yeah. 3 LP set. Full live show. The Don't Tell a Soul tour. All right. Nice tri-fold cover. The complete story of the replacements. So you've got the complete story there, followed by the set list on the back as well, and some photographs. Looks like all 3 records come in a nice polyline black sleeve. This actually has Chris Bellman from Bernie Grundman's Mastering in the dead wax. Very, very solid mastering engineer. You know this is going to be a really solid sounding release when you see his initials in the dead wax. I love the fact that they put it in a nice clear polyline sleeve, or a black with clear polyline sleeve. Looks good. Nice and flat. All right, guys. Check us out online at www.theingroove.com. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Until next time.